In the mobile panel, you can set the layout for your mobile header. To better understand different header layouts, let's see what the icons represent. The thick line that you see on the left is the logo as well as the logo mobile area. The thin line is the navbar menu and all the widgets published in the navbar mobile area. And the search icon represents the header menu as well as all the widgets published in the header mobile area. Right now I have a horizontal left layout. As you can see on the icon, the logo as well as the navbar areas are left aligned and the header area is right aligned. But you can also choose a different layout. In the horizontal layouts, the logo as well as the navbar and header areas are displayed side by side from left to right with different alignments. So for example, you can choose the horizontal center, horizontal right, or the horizontal center logo layout. In our case, let's choose the horizontal center layout. All horizontal layouts have some additional options. You can enable or disable the transparent header for mobile devices and remove the left logo padding for layouts where the logo is positioned on the left. This is useful, for example, for logos with a colored background.